Man, I'm going to tell you this, the Supreme Court had just ruled to hear a case that they should have been here years ago because people don't understand their rights when it comes to dealing with police officers, but you need to know your rights. And you need to know that just the way that you handle when you interact in contact with the police. Most police are using what they call stop and frisk in broad motherfucking daylight by saying, I pulled you over because you was riding too close to the car when I don't see a billion police riding on a motherfucker ass and ain't nobody out now. Citizens arrest, citizens arrest. But the police are coming up with something that they say, well, your tent with violation. Tent violation is not a right to pull a person over and is not under the law or the Constitution. The Supreme Court said that they need reasonable suspicion of probable cause to believe you are violating the law involved in criminal activities such as this. Traffic violations, speeding, running a red light, or having broken tail light or other reasons as such problem with your license plate. And it said if a stop is made without this legal justification, the stop is considered unlawful. A lot of police don't expect you to know the law, but you got to know the law, or at least go get a lawyer to know the right. Because like they say, police pull over random people just hoping to find something, talking about I smell something, your tent was down, and they be planning on search and find and mission. So the Constitution was wrote to keep them folks from trying to do unjustifiable stops and catch people in criminal activity when they ain't doing their job. The Fourth Amendment gives the person the right, under that person, house, papers, or effects for no illegal search and seize unless you have probable cause. Them folks on the Supreme Court is up the rights of constitutions everywhere in the world. And if you ever believe that you've been unlawfully stopped, always understand one thing, man. Stay calm, cooperate with the officer no matter what. Don't even argue with them. You don't even have to answer any questions that they ask you. Because if you're pulled over in a traffic stop, it's only one thing that they need to know, that you have license and registration and insurance. And most people don't know this, the police can run your plates and your plates tell the police if you got insurance. So ain't no justification for all the extra things that they do. And Supreme Court finally hearing the motherfucker because a man got pulled over and he challenged it and won in court and beat his motherfucking case because the police don't got no right to pull you over for no tinted windows. Only violation that you commit. Ain't no such thing as this search and find. It's called forbidden fruit. Anything that's caught in that situation after that is forbidden fruit.